Guess what? We have a new project. A big one. It's the first subway system sa probinsya. You wanna come along and see how it all comes together from the ground up?
No.
Sabi ng lola mo, interesado ka daw sa politika. Totoo ba yan?
Yes.
Jorel, maybe you should think about this carefully. Madumi ang mundo ng politika. It's filled with corruption and deceit.
Matagal nang nasa politics ang lola ko. At bago pa ako pinanganak, nagsiservisyo na siya. It's the profession that fed your family and put you to school, and you just easily dismiss it as something dirty and corrupt?
Yes, kasi nakita ko mismo kung ang ginagawa ng politika sa isang tao. It ruins families. It tears people apart. Ayoko mangyari yan.
You know what else tears families apart, Dad? Neglect. Kagaya na nangyari sa inyo ni Mommy.
Anak.
And I know she cheated on you. At alam ko sa sarili ko na mali yun. Do you know, Dad? Alam mo rin sa sarili mo, what got her to do such a thing?
Anak, hindi ko naman sinasadya yun. Alam ko na may mga pagkakamali ako.
Pero huli na ang lahat, Dad. Can't you see? Look around you. Wala na, Dad. What's done is done. Watak na ang pamilya natin, and it's all because of you.